Yo, hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, welcome. And if it's your very first time to see this ugly face on your screen, guys, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. It's your village boy here, coming live from this beautiful timber workshop. As you can see, guys, they're doing amazing job here, you know, guys. If you are in Homa Bay County, actually in a place known as Nyandiwa, this is the best place to find your room furniture, you know. Here they deal with cabinets, different types of cabinets, different types of room, sofa sets, you know, guys. As you can see, the work is being done here, just amazing. You can see, guys, there's a fundi here trying to fix some table, you know. So stay tuned, stay with me. Let's take you inside. You can see the beautiful of everything that's being done here. Stay tuned, guys. And right here I have my tour guide here, you know. We have a beautiful cabinet here, you see. This amazing job. Yeah. If your room needs, actually the living room, if it needs a cabinet, here in Nyandiwa, they make some of the beautiful cabinets, sofa sets. As you can see right here, the beautiful sofa sets, you see, guys. And this is the one of the cabinet, you know. It's just incomplete because there's not some of the glasses, but at the look, how do it look? Let me know at the comment section. Yeah. And fundi, yeah, did this job and you based it here in this market of ours. Yeah, what are some of the challenges?
There are many challenges which me facing in this business.
Yes.
I cannot tell at this moment.
Yeah.
I cannot tell sound.
Yeah, because some
first challenge is
money. Some of the materials.
Yeah. Lack of material.
Yeah.
Material is needed from far away.
Yeah.
Lack of this material which you need to make these things coming from another country.
Yeah, from Migori County. Yeah. And I see at this point you haven't fixed the glasses. Is it same the challenge of rods or some of the challenges?
This is challenge of glass.
Yeah.
So the glass is also coming
from another county. Yeah, guys, as you have heard from,
please need more money to make this thing to come straight.
Yeah, it's just amazing, guys. Kindly consider. Yo, as you can see, this is amazing bed. This is the front bed, you know. And you can be surprised. The machine, it's actually named as a table saw. Yeah, this is the table saw. It's used to smoothen the timber, you know. And this is a radar machine. It's used to make some styles in the wood, you know. These are the designs. This is the use of this machine. Oh, guys, you can just tell it's around amazing work, you know, guys. The reason why I'm telling you this, I want to show you because there's a power blackout, but actually you're gonna just another one. end of this video. If this is your very first time, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. I've just shown you, I'm just coming live from this amazing workshop, you know guys. Yeah, this is the amazing workshop here in our town. And for the things that I've just shown you, you can see there's some of the incomplete tools here to be made, you know guys. If you need a beautiful cabinet, just come here in Nyandiwa, you see guys. So thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Let's meet the next amazing content. Bye bye.